Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for civil engineering. Begin by building a solid foundation in core subjects, such as structural analysis and fluid mechanics. Focus on understanding the underlying principles rather than just memorizing formulas. Practice regularly with a variety of problems to reinforce your knowledge and improve your problem-solving speed. This approach will prepare you for both academic success and professional practice in the field. To enhance your learning, leverage a variety of resources. Textbooks provide detailed explanations and example problems, while online platforms offer interactive lessons and practice quizzes. Collaborating with peers in study groups can clarify complex concepts and expose you to different perspectives. Don't forget to consult professional handbooks. They are invaluable for real-world engineering scenarios and design specifications. Consistent practice is essential for mastering civil engineering. Dedicate time to solving a wide range of problems, from basic calculations to intricate design challenges. Reviewing past exam papers helps you anticipate question styles and manage your time effectively during tests. Furthermore, engaging in design projects, even small ones, allows you to apply theoretical concepts and develop practical engineering judgment. For advanced study, familiarize yourself with industry-standard software such as AutoCAD for drafting and SAP 2000 for structural analysis. These tools are critical for modern civil engineering practice. Attending workshops and seminars can introduce you to emerging technologies and specialized areas within the field. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.